Welcome back to the Crypto 618 channel, and in today's video we're doing a staking tutorial on the Trunk native token. So, who wants to earn 30% on a stablecoin? I do. It is just awesome. I mean, you can usually only get very small rates on stablecoins, but with Trunk you can get minimum 30%. So it is really exciting. So let's get into it. Let's go over to elephant.money. Now, the first thing you'll need to connect with your wallet. So I'll just disconnect. So when you come to elephant.money, you'll come to this page here. You'll then click on Trunk and Stampede. You click on Go, and then you'll need to connect your wallet. You need like MetaMask or Wallet Connect or Binance. So you click on, let's say, MetaMask. I've got MetaMask. And when you come in here, you'll notice your wallet's attached. And you've got this reserve section and stake, and then there's another section down here. So if you want to get into the native staking and earn minimum 30% on a stable coin, what you've got to do is you've got to have Trunk first. So to do that, one way you can do it is by minting. So with the reserve, you need to have BUSD, and you need to have that in your wallet. So of course you'll need to have BNB in your wallet. And we're on the Binance Smart Chain, and you'll need BUSD. Now I've put a link below for Binance. So if you're not already signed up with Binance, they basically created the Binance Smart Chain and BNB and BUSD. And if you want to buy that, probably the easiest way to do that is through Binance. There is other ways to do it. The reason I use Binance is because it's very easy to access for me. I can transfer my Aussie dollars into Binance within seconds, and then I can convert. I just go along to trade and then convert, and I can convert the Aussie dollars into BNB, and then I would then send maybe some of it. I would convert some of it to BNB, and then I would convert some of it to BUSD. So once I have that in my wallet within Binance, I would then go into the withdraw option, and I withdraw some BNB first into my wallet, and that would be the wallet I'd be using to connect, let's say, MetaMask or something like that, and make sure that you're on the Binance Smart Chain. So if you click on the MetaMask and you install that, make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain network. If you're not on that or don't have it, you just watch a video on how to do that. Once that's connected, you'll want to use your basically your address up here, and that's the one you want to withdraw to from Binance. So once you've got BNB in there and BUSD, then you can come along, and here you are. So what you would do then is you would mint. I've done some other videos on minting and redeeming, so you can check those out on my channel, but just make sure you got the BUSD enabled. You'll need to confirm that with MetaMask. Type in the amount you want to mint. I'd suggest maybe $100 or more, because the gas fees are around about $4 or $5 when you mint. So just remember, if small amounts may not be worth it, you might want to start with $100 or more. So, and there's a 1% fee. Just remember that when you're minting. So once you mint, you'll come down here. Let's say I've minted $100, and then in the staking section where it says deposit, you'll see that in my wallet I have 101 Trunk. So I had a little bit of Trunk here before, and I've just purchased just minted $100 worth of Trunk. So I've got that there. Now, if I want to deposit over here into the staking so I can earn straight away, all I need to do is click on the amount here. I'm going to type in 100. And there's no fees except for gas, so you're not paying any percentages or any fees. It's just a standard gas fee for a normal transaction. Make sure that staking's enabled, and then you click on deposit. Confirm that with MetaMask. Click close. And what will happen, that $100 worth of Trunk will then appear in deposits, okay? And this will take up to 30 seconds. Once it appears in deposits, it'll start earning rewards. And they happen pretty quickly. So at the moment now we've added that, we can see that it's 68.629%. And this is a variable according to how many people are in the pool and out of the pool. So it does change. I've seen it as low as 30 and as high as close to 70% APR. That's what it ranges between. So what will happen is you'll start generating rewards on this around about that 68%, but they'll appear here. And what you can do, if you would like, you can either roll or claim them. If you roll, the rewards will go straight back into your deposits, and you only pay a small gas fee for that. You don't actually pay any extra fees for that. So you can roll them back into your deposits and increase your deposits. So this is actually like compounding. And by doing that, you'll actually increase that APR. That yield will be higher because you're actually compounding daily. Or you can just leave it there and get the 68% and then get the rewards at the end if you like. Now what you want to do is, once you get some rewards, you can also claim. So when you claim, whatever's in the rewards will go back over here into your wallet in the trunk, okay? And the deposits, if we want to get the deposits out and we want to put them back into our own wallet, because at the moment they're staking, this is what we do. So all we need to do is go to the withdrawal, and we've got, as you can see in the withdrawal, there's 100 trunk that we can withdraw. So we click on 100, and then we click on withdrawal, and we click confirm and close. And what will happen is the $100 of trunk is going to move over into rewards. And when that happens, like so, then we can use the claim button to claim those rewards back into wallet. So if we have a look at a wallet, we don't really have that $100 in there yet. So we just go claim and confirm and close. And that $100 rewards will then appear over in our wallet, and then we'll go back to having $101 worth of trunk. Now that is how easy it is to get in and out using the trunk into the staking. So see, it's very flexible and it's very simple. Now if you wanted to, you could check out the other videos I've done for when you redeem. They're on the YouTube channel, but you can see here we've got 101. If I wanted to redeem that now, I could just go into the redeem section and I could type in 100 trunk. Now in this case here, because notice how 100 trunk I will receive 99.834 BUSD and no elephant. So there is the 1% fee, and the reason for this is I'm actually getting all BUSD, so it is swapping straight to BUSD. And the reason for that, if we scroll down here, the Pancake LP price is greater than the redemption. So it is 0.998357 and the redemption is 99 cents. So when that is like that, that means when we redeem, we are going to get everything in BUSD. If for some reason the LP price for Pancake was less than 99, let's say it was 98 cents, in that case, we would get 100, instead of getting the $100 worth of trunk, we would get 75% would be in BUSD, and the other 25% would be an elephant, and that would be reflected here. It would still equal the same amount, but it would be, then you would have to then sell the elephant token if you wanted to get it back to, in that case when you sell elephant, it would be selling it in BNB. So it's just one extra transaction. So if you want to make sure you got BUSD, just when you do redeem, if you have to redeem, you could just wait until the Pancake LP price is higher when you do that redeeming. So, and check out some of the other videos on that. So that's how simple it is to get in there and stake. That's all you need to do. So if you have any questions about that, please put them down in the links below. I've got plenty of other videos on Elephant Money. You can come along to the YouTube channel and check those out. Also, the link for Binance. So if you don't have a Binance account and you want to sign up, you can click my link if you like, or you can go to Binance.com directly. And also on the website, which is crypto618.1, you can come along here and subscribe if you want to. It is free access for all my public posts, and any of the premium content is only $50 a year. And that's where I put portfolio updates and certain strategies that I don't do public. So that's all pretty cool. And then also I've got a Discord group. You just started the Discord group. So if you want to find out, how to get into these projects, how to make money in crypto, and basically, make that daily income, that passive income, join the Discord group. And as I said, we're just getting started, so we've got a small group at the moment, but we're going to build over time. So cool. I think that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Until the next video, thank you. And if you do like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscribe and the bell notification icon. Thanks, guys. I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks.
Meet John. John works in his day job as an insurance agent. He hates his job, but he goes to work every day because he has to. He makes $55K a year, but he has a $500,000 mortgage hanging over his head, so he can't leave. Meet Bob. Bob is John's friend. He got into Bitcoin when it was only $1,000. Bob made millions in 2017 when Bitcoin hit an all-time high. Now he's just a professional bum, lack of a better word. Bob keeps telling John to get into cryptocurrency, but John's too busy at work. Does this sound familiar? What if you could find the next Bitcoin, or the next Ethereum, or the next Chainlink, before the rest of the crowd found out? Well, the opportunity is here right now. It's called DeFi or decentralized finance. This is the next evolution in crypto where you can stake, lend, borrow and farm your crypto and earn interest on your money. If this sounds like mumbo jumbo to you, don't worry. In a nutshell, instead of having your coins sit in a wallet doing nothing, you put your crypto to work for you and earn passive income in return. Basically, anyone with cryptocurrency can earn a passive income if they know what they are doing. Over time, your crypto can grow bigger and bigger until it's making you a sizable return to either supplement your current income or replace your full-time job. Let's get back to Bob. Bob's not a genius, he's just resourceful. He got 100x Crypto Academy to do all the hard work for him. 100x Crypto Academy will research and analyze DeFi projects for you, so you don't have to do any work. Imagine finding low-cap gems for $2 to $5 that could potentially moon 10x, 20x, even 50x. What if you discovered the next Bitcoin or next Ethereum or next Chainlink? Profits are made early. Finding these hidden gems with the least amount of risk and maximum amount of profit is what 100x Crypto Academy do. Don't be like John, busting his butt all day at his day job, but he never gets ahead. Be like Bob, he puts his money to work for him while he does what he loves, like play golf. For more information, read the rest of this page, and we hope to see you inside 100x Crypto Academy.